about political war between Bihar and Maharashtra over Sushant's death probe. Deputy Chief Minister Sushil Modi launching a blistering attack on Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, calling him a hostage to Bollywood mafia patronized by the Congress. The Bihar Deputy Chief Minister has claimed that Mumbai police is not helping the Bihar police team probing Sushant's death and money links in Mumbai. He has claimed that those in power in Maharashtra have ill-treated Biharis in the past too. He promised to go to any extent to ensure justice for Sushant Singh Rajput and his family.
बिहार की जनता से क्षमा मांगना चाहिए, लेकिन मित्रों, बहनों और भाइयों, गांधी की मूर्ति के सामने बैठकर बेनामी संपत्ति का कलंक धुल नहीं सकता।
The Bihar police has widened its probe into Sushant Singh Rajput's death case. The Bihar police is now probing Sushant's death. To that of his ex-manager Disha Salian, which means there's a link that they're trying to establish. Remember, she ended her life on 8th of June. Sources have told India Today that the Bihar police have sought an FIR copy and postmortem report of Disha Salian from Mumbai's Malwani police station. Earlier, Sushant's friend Siddharth Pitani told India Today that the actor was upset over her death. Siddharth, who had met Sushant the night before his death, claimed that Sushant Singh Rajput was upset about the blind items that were linking him to Disha Salian's death. Earlier in the day, Bihar police has questioned screenwriter Rumi Jaffrey at his residence. At least 4 to 5 more people are likely to be questioned as well.
Bihar police met the Bollywood writer-director Rumi Jaffrey and took his statements for over 4 hours. The Bihar police, even though not willing to divulge much, says that they received crucial information and that in the days to come, there are at least 4 to 5 big names in the list that they will be questioning. Bihar police also says that even though Mumbai police says that they are going to render all help, yet they are waiting for the post-mortem report details. At the same time, Bihar police says that all the evidence that they are collecting here, they are transferring those to the higher officials of the Bihar police, and that the final statement would be coming from the officials of the Bihar police. They accepted that any time now a senior IPS official from Bihar would be coming to Mumbai as well. But they maintain that in the days to come, there will be at least 4 to 5 big names that they will be questioning. With camera person Sabir Shanbag, this is Pankaj Upadhyay in Mumbai, reporting for India Today.
India Today spoke to Bihar DGP Gupteshwar Pandey on the ongoing case as far as Sushant Singh Rajput's death is concerned. Let's now listen into this exclusive conversation.
Mumbai police is saying we have to take legal opinion. So is the time getting wasted, sir, for Bihar police? Do you think this is unfair to the Bihar police team? Because it seems...
No, Pooja, I'll tell you. Pooja, now I am told, this is what I am told, I am sharing with you.
Yes.
They have told that they are waiting for the, because you know one of the accused have moved to the Honorable Supreme Court. The challenge is jurisdiction of Bihar police.
Yes, sir.
So they are waiting for the verdict of Honorable Supreme Court. Once the verdict comes, then possibly they will agree to hand over all the necessary documents. So it may take another 3-4 days, but I can assure you, the day it's the case and necessary documents are handed over to us, we start our investigation. We'll ensure that it is completed within 3 months, and all accused, if any, who are behind this incident, they will be taken to task.
Sir,
that I can assure you.
Sir, because Bihar police has the FIR by the father, which is basically against the partner, the girlfriend Rhea Chakrabarti. So will the focus be on Rhea Chakrabarti, sir, or will it be expanding to other directors, friends, family, other people as well? Focus kya rahega, sir?
Pooja, investigation is open. I tell you, that depends how we proceed, what kind of evidences are collected. Because initially in the FIR, only there are 6 named FIR accused. Only 6. So initially we will focus on these 6. And then in course of investigation, if we find that other accused or other persons are also involved in this, the investigation will proceed further.
Okay, so I hope, sir, that with Bihar police also getting in, that you'll be able to find evidence, do more investigation, because fans, viewers, Indians are waiting, sir. This has become such a sad and shocking case, and hopefully Bihar police team will also get some cooperation. DGP of Bihar Police, Gupteshwar Pandey, thank you so much, sir, for speaking to India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.